Well, yeah, I guess it was pretty beautiful. I mean, it's fresh snow, it's soft and white. But I gotta say, I've seen it and I've shot it many, many times over the last 7 months. So why am I shooting the snow again? Well, I'm not really. It's the birds that I wanted to photograph. I was actually on my way home when I stopped at Gap Lake. I'd given up on the day. There was just too much snow. I couldn't see anything. But when I pulled over and rolled down the window to try to take a picture, I heard all kinds of bird song. Some of the bird song was coming from little guys like this. This is a yellow-rumped warbler, and there was dozens of them poking through the snow looking for bugs. White-crowned sparrows joined them, poking around on the bare patches. The bare patches. They were few and far between. It might be May, but the snow was coming down thick and heavy. Still, there was a bit of green starting to show through, like these currant leaves. And the bighorn sheep just up the road, well, they couldn't care less about the snow anyway. Same with the elk. The snow was coming down, but they just grazed on whatever bits of green they could find. As the afternoon wore on, the snow started to back off and the sky started to clear. And as it did, I could see the winter wonderland all around me. A winter wonderland that should have been gone 2 months ago. But I guess if those little warblers and sparrows can take it, so can I. Springtime in Alberta. It'll get here eventually.